Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TensorFlow step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. You can download the latest version from the official Python website. Next, open your command line interface. If you're using Windows, search for CMD in the Start menu. For Mac users, open the Terminal application. Once the command line interface is ready, check if Python is installed by typing Python version. Press Enter to execute the command. If Python is successfully installed, you will see the version number displayed. The next step is to ensure you have pip, the Python package installer, also installed. Type pip version in the command line and press Enter. If pip is installed, you'll see the version number. If not, you can install pip by following the instructions on the official pip documentation site. Now, you're ready to install TensorFlow. In the command line, type pip install TensorFlow. Press Enter to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. You'll see messages indicating that TensorFlow is being downloaded and installed. After the installation finishes, it's time to verify that TensorFlow is working correctly. Open a Python interactive shell by typing Python in the command line and pressing Enter. In the Python shell, import TensorFlow by typing import TensorFlow as TF. Press Enter. If there are no error messages, TensorFlow has been activated successfully. To check the version of TensorFlow, type print tf__version__ and press Enter. You should see the version number of TensorFlow you just installed. Congratulations, you've successfully activated TensorFlow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.